Hello! Today's story is about Suzy, a high school student experiencing her first day at a new school. She feels nervous at first, but step by step, she gets through the day. Will she make new friends? Let's find out. Today is my first day of high school. I wake up early, but I already feel nervous. My stomach feels strange, and my hands are a little cold. I get out of bed and put on my favorite jeans and a new blue t-shirt. I look in the mirror and take a deep breath. I can do this, I tell myself. Downstairs, my mom makes breakfast, toast, eggs, and orange juice. I try to eat, but I'm not really hungry. At 7:30, I grab my backpack and leave the house. The school bus arrives, and I step inside. The bus is full of students. Some are talking and laughing, while others sit quietly with headphones. I find an empty seat near the window. The ride feels long. I watch trees and houses pass by. After a few minutes, the bus stops in front of the school. The building is big, with red bricks and large windows. Students walk in groups, chatting and smiling. I feel small in the middle of the crowd. Inside, the hallway is loud and busy. Lockers line the walls. Some students open them, while others rush to their classrooms. The air smells like books and new paper. I check my schedule. My first class is English in room 204. After some searching, I finally find it. I step inside, and the teacher, a kind-looking woman with glasses, smiles at me. I quickly sit at an empty desk near the middle of the room. The bell rings, and class begins. The teacher writes her name on the board and welcomes us. She talks about what we will learn this year. I listen carefully, trying to stay calm. Next is math. The teacher is strict but explains things well. I take notes and try to focus. At lunchtime, I walk to the cafeteria. The room is big, with long tables and a lot of students. I buy a sandwich and a bottle of water. I look around for a place to sit. I recognize a girl from my English class sitting alone. I walk over and smile. "Can I sit here?" I ask. She nods, and we start talking about our classes. I feel a little better. After lunch, I go to history and science. The lessons are interesting, and I take notes carefully. Finally, the last bell rings. School is over. I walk to the bus and sit in the same seat as before. I feel tired but also happy. When I get home, my mom asks, "How was your first day?" I smile. It was good. I think I'm going to like high school. The first day is always the hardest, but I did it. Tomorrow will be even better.
Thanks for watching. To improve your English listening, watch videos like this every day.